In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the not linked section in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. The not linked section is a powerful place to keep pages that are live but not shown in your site's main navigation. It's perfect for landing pages, seasonal promos, thank you pages, or works in progress. Let's walk through how to use it confidently and keep your site tidy. First, log into your Squarespace account. From the main dashboard, head to Website, then Open Pages. This is where you manage everything related to your site's structure. On the left-hand panel, you'll see your primary navigation at the top, and if you scroll down, you'll find the Not Linked section. This area functions just like your main navigation, but items here won't appear in your header menus. To create a new page in Not Linked, hover over the Not Linked heading and click the plus icon that appears. You can start with a blank page if you want full control, or choose a pre-made layout to speed things up. Either way, give your page a clear descriptive title so you can find it easily later. If you're working with several pages, use drop-down folders to keep things organized. This makes the section easier to navigate, especially on larger sites. To create a folder, hover over the Not Linked heading again, click the plus icon and select Folder. Name the folder, then drag any related pages into it. Folders won't display in your site's main navigation unless you move them there, so they're great for grouping drafts, campaigns, or client work. When you're ready to adjust what visitors see, simply drag and drop pages between Not Linked and your main navigation menus. Moving a page into your navigation makes it visible in your site's menus. Moving it back to Not Linked hides it from the menus but keeps the page live at its URL. This gives you a clean way to manage visibility without unpublishing. To edit a not linked page, click its title to open it in the Fluid Engine editor. Design your page using the grid system. Drag content blocks onto the canvas, snap them to the grid for precise alignment, and adjust spacing with rows and columns. Remember, mobile layouts can be designed independently from desktop. Switch to the mobile view to rearrange blocks, resize text, and refine spacing so your page looks great on smaller screens. A quick preview on both views helps catch layout issues before publishing. That's it. Now you know how to create, organize, and edit pages in the Not Linked section using Squarespace 7.1 and Fluid Engine.